with you today, sharing with you this really fun pigeon card using the new products. Silly Pigeons stamp, In the City paper pack, Cherry Blossoms branch die, Scalloped frames die, the Clothesline die, and the Scalloped sentiment labels die. I really thought that this pigeon needed to be sitting on a clothesline with that beautiful paper pack behind it. For that beautiful scalloped frame die, I used a really pretty gold and just placed it over top of that beautiful In the City paper pack. Isn't it so cute? Let's get started. I've created a PDF in the very beginning so you could maybe snapshot it, or I'll try to link the PDF down below so you can even print it off, so you can have all of the colors and the instructions along with the items and products that I've used for this card. I'm going to glue down the really cute clothesline die that was released a few years ago in the Kit of the Month Club. I mean, pigeons on a clothesline, why not? It's super cute. We're going to glue that down to our In the City paper that I have cut at 3 by 7/8 by 5 1/4. And then just going to glue that right over top that pretty landscape. Perfect. Now for the socks, it's really super simple. R39, R29, and R14. And then the W1 and W0. And I am just going to lay up those reds and blend them. These socks are adorable, and they will make that clothesline really look like a clothesline. Super simple coloring. I'm not worrying too much about many details. Not the star of the show. The pigeon is the star of the show. So just some quick fast coloring on these socks, and then we'll glue them in place. Now the cherry blossom branch die, just cut it out of brown cardstock, and then the blossoms themselves I cut out of a very light pink, and I will be coloring over top of that pink cardstock. Again, nothing fancy, super simple. Going in with that R39, R29, and just kind of blending out, or sorry, R14, and just kind of blending out, just smudging that dark center. And then I will use a white gel pen to go over the sides just for some fun. using my little pick tool that I did with the socks, I'm just placing these blossoms down in random places. If you were wondering why I was smudging off some of the white around those little blossoms, I didn't want the white to be so stark, so just smudging it just a little while it's still wet gives it that little bit of sheen, but it's not too bright. And just randomly placing these little blossoms everywhere. On to coloring that really cute, adorable silly pigeon. I'm using Ohuhu and Copic colored markers and just going in and flicking towards the center where I want it to be the lightest. That's G322, and then the purple is V270. I'm just going down his little belly. They are so fun. I love their big round eyes. V250. And now B350. I will be sure to put in the description box all of the colors that I have used, and I'm going to just leave the music play, let you watch me color this adorable cute pigeon, and I'll catch you back when we are done coloring. adding in those super adorable pinky cheeks because I always add pink to my cheeks. Makes them super cute. We will fussy cut out this pigeon and place him on our card. And for the sentiment, I stamped it out on a scallop sentiment labels die, and we're just going to place that at the very bottom of our card here. And that's really it. Such a fun little card, right? Super fast. Gluing this down to my card base, which is 10 by 11/16 by 4 and folded at 5 5/16. Again, I hope you had a great time watching me make this really super fun, fast card, and do come again next week. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.